Yes, we did this also. And in fact, I proved this in the class. Right? So if you have missed that lecture, look at my proof. Towards the very end of maybe 2 classes back, we tried to prove this question, this equation. We got the complete growth equation in the class. So we are using exactly that now. So let's see that. So I'm given y is equal to a k to the power 0.5 L to the power 0.75. It says that A denotes total factor productivity and Y denotes output produced. All capital and labor are fully employed. Suppose the growth rate of labor is 1%. So it's given that the growth rate of labor is 1%. The growth rate of capital is 4%. And the growth rate of output is 4%. What is growth rate of labor? How do I write that? It is written by 1 by LDN. We know this, right? Growth rate of capital is given by 1 by KDK. And growth rate of output is given by 1 by YDY. These are the growth rates. So in order to find these growth rates, let us go ahead and let us take log on both sides. So I will get ln y is equal to ln a plus 0.25 ln k plus 0.75 ln L. And let's do a total differentiation. So I will get 1 by y dy is equal to 1 by a dA plus 0.25 1 by k dk plus 0.75 1 by LDL. This is the growth rate of output, growth rate of A plus 0.25 growth rate of K plus 0.75 growth rate of L. In fact, we also discussed the importance of powers. What does 0.25 mean? What does 0.75 mean in the class? So you should go ahead and refer that also. So now my growth rate of capital is given by 4. So here I will replace it with 4. Growth rate of labor is given as 1. So I will replace this with 1. And growth rate of output is given by 4. So I will replace this with 4 is equal to GA plus 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. So I will get my GA as 4 minus 1 minus 3 by 4. This will be 3 minus 3 by 4. So 3 minus 0.75, which will be 2.25. So the growth rate of A, which means total productivity, is given by 2.25. We have done this in production function. We also talked intensively about what total factor productivity means. So it's just, very simple question based on that lecture.